Welcome to 18914 Cordary Avenue. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1861 square foot home in a beautiful neighborhood of North Torrance. Come, have a look with me. Nestled in a friendly North Torrance neighborhood with great curb appeal, short distance to parks, restaurants, shopping, freeways, beaches, and award-winning Torrance schools. White picketed vinyl fencing, sodded front yard, red brick facade, and paved driveway welcomes you to your new home. Walk into wood laminate floor interior with smooth ceiling and upgraded newer vinyl dual pane windows throughout. Open and airy floor plan. Living room with large bay window overlooking the front yard. Formal dining room with stone-faced wood-burning fireplace. Spacious kitchen with tile countertop and backsplash. Refaced cabinets with black hardware. Easy clean electric cooktop with window above. And a wall microwave and oven combo unit. 2 ample-sized bedrooms. And a hallway bathroom with enclosed tub. Oversized primary bedroom with built-in wall cabinets, walk-in closet, and ensuite bathroom. Double sliding barn door from primary bedroom leads to the 4th bedroom with wood beam vaulted ceiling, mini split system, electric wall fireplace, wet bar with sink, and a door to the rear yard with lush vegetable garden. Detached garage with epoxy floor and laundry hookup with utility sink. If you would like more information or view this property in person, feel free to leave a comment below or contact me. My information is below.